In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your notes in Obsidian with MetaBind and Dataview. If you've ever felt limited by basic search, this walkthrough will get you set up with two powerful community plugins that make finding and filtering information in your vault dramatically easier. Dataview lets you query your notes and display results dynamically, while MetaBind adds interactive controls you can use alongside those queries. We're simply installing and enabling both so you're ready to build richer searches later. Start by opening Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want these tools available. Down in the bottom left corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where all plugin management happens and where we'll turn on the tools you need. In the Settings sidebar, select Community Plugins. Obsidian may show a notice explaining that community plugins are third-party code. That's normal. If you see a prompt to enable community plugins, go ahead and confirm so you can access the plugin browser. You can always review what you've installed here and toggle things on or off at any time. Click Browse to open the Community Plugin Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Dataview. Open the Dataview plugin, click Install, and when it finishes, click Enable. Dataview reads the metadata in your notes, things like front matter fields and tags, and lets you write simple queries to list notes, filter by criteria, and display results as tables, lists, or even tasks. Enabling it here makes those features available across your vault. Staying in the same browse view, search for MetaBind. Open the plugin, click Install, then click Enable. MetaBind is designed to work with your note metadata and Dataview results by adding interactive elements you can bind to fields in your notes. This is what makes more advanced form-like search interfaces possible inside Obsidian. When both plugins are enabled, you can close settings and return to your notes. If you don't see expected commands or examples later on, revisit settings, open community plugins, and make sure both Dataview and MetaBind show as toggled on. That quick check solves most setup hiccups. And that's it. You opened Obsidian, went into settings, visited community plugins, browsed the marketplace, installed Dataview, and installed MetaBind, then enabled both. With this foundation in place, you're ready to build powerful, metadata-aware searches that surface exactly the notes you need exactly when you need them. In future sessions, you can explore each plugin's documentation for sample queries and patterns to tailor your search experience to your workflow.